We'll send everything in. Oh. What's good with the gang? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Yes, sir. What's good, gang? Y'all can hear me. Put some 41s in the chat. Don't be shy. What's good? There we go. Sent it up. Luca, what's good? Athena, what's good? Where you been up to? Vita, Bullison, was good? Mercy Lago, Bernie. Was good with the whole gang. Jack goes back. Was good. Tony Gold OG was good. Look at Euro USD. Yeah, let's check it. Yeah, let's take a look at a couple things. I do want to check out DAX real quick. What up, Cam? What up? What up? What up? Yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button. What up, OG Fresh? Hope you're doing well, brother. Big consolidation so far. On JR 30. Yeah, that's big consolidation, guys. Look how much just been moving sideways there. Not the most moving to play off of. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking, Cam and OG Fresh. It's been a long day. I had to wake up extra early this morning for a meeting. Oh, I spent a lot of just today outside and stuff. So a little bit tired, but we're gonna end the week strong, guys. Last week here, so make sure you guys how'd you go live? Come chop it up with the gang. Turn these likes up, yes sir. You have like a gold? Yeah, I like a gold right now. Sorry guys, I'm getting back into it. My computer was glitching for a second. It took me a second to go live. What up, Christian? Good to see you guys. Road to sell the fires in LA. That's pretty sad. I know. Are you in LA? No, guys. I literally had just left LA when all that stuff started going down. So luckily, I left right at a good time. But nonetheless, I feel sorry for everyone in LA. You know, blessings and have them in my thoughts. Condolences to everyone who's lost lives or maybe people or houses and stuff. It's pretty sad. California, it's like, what the heck? I've experienced so many fires in my life. It's pretty crazy. It's like almost like it's like regular to me. For those who don't know, so I'm from Northern California, where if you guys remember when there was all those fires in like Sonoma County and stuff that was burning. So I had those fires when I was like a freaking, what was that? I want to say like I was in high school. I'm trying to think. I think it happened twice actually when I was in high school. Oh no, it happened once in high school. I think once when I was in college or something like that. But there was 2 fires then. Um, Another one in LA. I don't know. There's just been a lot of fires. Like what the hell? There's one in Chico. You guys remember Chico? That's like where I went to school at, and that was like one of the biggest fires ever. Which is crazy. Damn, what's up, gold? What the fuck? The buys that we marked it down in here. Yeah, then I played out fire, but all that, wow. Come on now. I don't really see that, too much on gold, guys. I definitely would not fight the trend there. Looks like we're kind of tapping into this 4-hour supply. So we could get some sort of reaction from up here. But once again, we don't like, we don't like to predict and just say what we think. We gotta actually see it happen first. Give us the reaction, show us the direction first. We're not just gonna guess. So as of now, I don't really see too much on gold because it's too high to buy right now. But there's also no confirmations to sell right now unless you just wanted to sell right at this liquidity wick, which if I wasn't gonna sell anywhere, I guess it would be somewhere like that, where it's just taking liquidity above, looking for the dump. But as of now, I'm still gonna be waiting on it. Check out GJ though. GJ on the other hand, I wouldn't say like looking beautiful or anything, but definitely just a little bit more to play off of. I saw this wedge kind of forming, but GU took a sell. Oh, looking at GU sells. I guess it's been bearish. I don't know. I like sometimes playing it back into equilibrium, and the way I'm looking at it is that like we form lows, rejected, like kind of consolidated, I guess, but definitely showing some rejection off this area rather than just selling pressure. So I'd say that I would take some, long, see if you can catch that bounce. If anything. Check out UK 100. Looks a little better than JER. See a uptrend. You consider this kind of the start of a side trend with these lows. So I'd say it's maybe going to sell down to those lows. Let's wait and see, but I think UK 100 a little shorts. What do you guys think? Who here trades UK 100 or JER 30? Like who would say that they actually like trade that? Hanya, what's good, bro? What up, Eric? What up, Alejandro, Sebastian, Olison, Silva, Jamal? Oh, Jamal, what's good, brother? Vincenzo. Got him, coach. Everyone let me know if they see anything. Let's go check out Forex for actually today is the 10th. This was this morning. Oh, I know, this is for Friday. I was like, what? Today, not the 9th? Yeah. Why does it say today's the 10th? It's so weird. Oh, I guess I'm so stupid. It's wherever clock this is, it's the next day. But in California, we still have another 45 minutes. But you can see there is USD news in the morning, which that could be a big reason why everything's pretty slow right now. Is it's waiting until we get all of these releases on. I mean, look at this, 8:30 a.m. and then also we get at 10 a.m. also more right here. Even though it's orange folder, consumer sentiment and inflation expectations are definitely going to shake it up. What do you guys think, chat? DAX is still continuing yesterday's trade. Yeah, but it's kind of consolidating now. That's the only thing that kind of sucks, as you see here. Consolidation. But yeah, DAX has been bae. DAX has been treating us well, guys. I've called, I think, 3 trading setups live so far this year, and all 3 of them have been JR30, and all 3 of them have been winners. So, not broke, don't fix it. I'm up right now for the knowledge you already know. Thank you, bro. I know it sounds like I'm a little like, what's the word? Tired, low energy today, guys. Maybe I should stand up. Let's stand up, chat. Let me stand up. We up here now. Stand up a little bit, but this is how it is. How many confirmations do you need to enter a trade? So let's talk a little bit. Spit some gems. Like that. You guys can see? Alright, cool. So someone in the chat said, how many confirmations do you need to enter a trade? So when it comes to the confirmations, I mean, guys, I've articulated my strategy pretty well. If I had to put it into words, it's go to the higher time frames and even just the 1 hour. What is the impulse like? Where is price starting from? Where is the volume coming from? And is it showing the direction? Because price usually prints things and, you know, it's already showing you where it wants to go, right? So if we're bullish, let's say on the hourly, that is my impulse leg. From there, I look for price to be in discount of that overall hourly or whatever move it is, you know what I'm saying? So you can draw a fib, wait for price to be less than 50% of that overall move. Once price is in discount, I literally look for a lower time frame liquidation in some sort of point of interest in discount. So it's like thinking about like a low getting taken out while also taking out a fair value gap, and then kind of closing back, like creating a fair value gap while it's dumping down, while taking out a fair value gap, and go in and closing in an inverse fair value gap back up. I'll enter there at the trend line break to continue price up. But really, in simple steps, higher time frame bias, what's the trend, wait for a pullback in a discount, and then wait for a lower time frame liquidation or some sort of manipulation to then take the trade, aim for 1 to 3, get out. That's really it. Anyone confused about that? What's a good lot size for a 25K account? Depends what you're trading. Was that a good articulation? Like, did you guys understand that, or was that still confusing? I'm a little bit confused, but I think you know what I talk about. Can you show us on the charts? Yeah, so on the charts, basically, like if I were to break it down and draw it out as simple as possible, once again, is trends. So let's say price is kind of moving in some sort of direction like this, right? What's the trend? Clearly bullish. So when I talk about price being in discount, it's drawing price from high to the low. So you can see here, price is obviously bullish. That is the low that created this high. When I talk about price being in discount, it's anywhere below this 50%. I wait for price to come, pull back to being at least in discount, and I wait for some sort of, like I said, lower time frame liquidation into a point of interest. The point of interest can be tapping into, like, let's say a demand over here that has like a fair value gap sitting right above it, tapping in there. And let's say, wow, this distributes down, it's creating a fair value gap on the sell-off, and then immediately getting what? That low getting taken out, another point of interest, a rejection back up, closing above the fair value gap and above the little trend line that usually happens right above here. I enter, go for like a 1 to 3 risk to reward, somewhere in here like this to correct the move, and that's about it. That's really it, is looking for price to make a low to a high, waiting for the retracement, lower time frame liquidation, waiting for price to break some sort of structure, and taking the trade back up in the overall direction. Right now it's moving sideways. There's no money. Yeah, there's no volume. Great, thank you. Yes, sir. Question, good sir. When you enter the trade, how do you know your SL on the last break of structure and add 1 to 20 pips? It has to do more with structure, because how you kind of think about it should be this, is that like price, let's say price consists of higher highs and higher lows. So you see here, how price will make a low before creating some sort of entry. It really has to do with whatever low gets created before your setup. Because in this setup, you could see that like I have my low below this low that I created, which is usually valid. But sometimes you'll see something where like price will do something similar, where it'll be bullish up here. You know what I'm saying? Wait for the retracement. Once the retracement and you're looking for your entry, it'll like kind of go like this. And why I'm doing this is, let's say like the trend line's like this into your demand. I'm kind of drawing up with the other setup. Let's say you want to take the trade. Instead of in the other setup, you're taking the trade here and putting your stop loss below here. Sometimes price will even do something like this, or once it breaks, it's whatever higher low it makes. You can actually then, maybe decrease your stop loss up into there. Because once again, when price is kind of like in an uptrend and it leads to a downtrend, and you want to get in to lead to the new uptrend, why that matters is that price shouldn't break back below any of these higher lows if it truly is bullish. So you can decrease your stop loss and find smaller places to put your stop loss to overall gain more profit and more risk to reward. Because I'm a big fan of that, guys. Is also, here's another tip. Here is another tip. So another tip that I like to teach a lot for anyone out there is, let's say once again, price is bullish, kind of coming up, whatever the case may be, right? So we draw our low to our high like this. Let's say price pulls back, just taps into there, kind of breaks structure, and you're looking for entry, kind of like right in here, right? So one rule that I try and teach a lot of people is that if you look at a setup and there's not even a 1-to-1 possibility before hitting the highs, then I don't even look to take the trade. Because think about it, the risk to reward is not there. Price could easily get you into the position, come up, reject this high, and continue lower. So it's like, why would you risk your money if there's not even a 1-to-1 kind of scenario possible? So an example of what you basically wait for is you wait for price to basically be in a position, or once again, let's say it's like down here and then we break structure. And then you can come in here at a way more discounted level, smaller stop loss, and look for, like, now you can see here, this now is a 1 to 3 to get to the highs instead of before it was not even a 1 to 1. So now the risk reward is actually there, because it's like, would you rather risk 1 to potentially get 3 or risk 1 to potentially get like 0.8? Does that make sense, all you guys? Everyone in chat understand? No limit setup is 0G fresh. Please show your fib settings. Boom. I have a video dropping on how to use fibs next week also, guys. If you guys are excited for that video on how to use fibs, put some 41s in the chat. No matter what, guys, I'm here to provide value. This is the bread and butter setup, though, guys. Like, if I were you guys, and you're not there like screenshotting this, trying to like go back, save this live stream, talk about, oh, what did Luca say here? Oh, what was the example? And then go try and apply it to the charts. And you're not trying to get better. How much do you have in your first account trading? I put $1,000 into an account, some of my last money, literally, and blew 750 of that 1,000 in my first trade in like the first 5 seconds. Swear I was kidding. I mean, I wish I was kidding. Coach, do you think we might have a big impact on news this morning for us? Yeah, I think that's why it's I think there's like a lot of news in the morning and stuff, and that's why prices are pretty slow right now. It's been kind of slow the last couple of days because there's been news the last couple of days, but earlier in the week there was some good price action. Even last week there's some good price action and stuff, but we're still here showing up, looking at potential setups, all that type of stuff. I got more photos of your setups and lives than photos of my girlfriend. That's freaking hilarious. Like I said, guys, when I drop charts, explain concepts, you guys should be screenshotting them, making maybe like a folder to follow along with, and like I said, apply what I'm teaching and what I'm drawing up into the live markets so that you guys can actually go learn, apply, and become profitable. But well, yeah, I think this is the I'm just starting to trade at night. Can you tell me what the best pairs for London session are? I would say that if you're going to be trading London session, the pairs I'd pay attention to most is my love. I guess I could share her with you. You know what I'm saying? If you ask nicely, I'll share. But notoriously, I've always been a GBP JPY trader. Very, very, very good during London session, notoriously. So, that's definitely like the main Forex pair I would focus on. Other than that, if you like indices and fast moving stuff, gold would probably be next. And then after gold would be JER 30 and UK 100. And then sometimes NASDAQ, GU, USD CAD. No. I probably risk little. I don't want the market to fake that today and get exactly. Luca gives me money and my girl takes it all. That's fucking hilarious. Why the 41s? Where you been, Vincenzo? Someone tell him why 41s. Someone tell him why 41s. Please, yes, sir. When you trade London, how far back do you back just to begin the Asian, just to end the season and apply your trades? I don't know if I completely understand your question. If you're asking about like back testing, talking about back testing, like, yeah, I only like back testing during London session or sessions that I trade. So I get on here around 11 p.m. PST my time, which is an hour before London, which is the Frankfurt Open. I only backtest from around there until an hour and a half in the session. No, like honestly, like 2-3 hours in the session. Hour and a half in the session is for New York. Yeah, everyone go like the stream. Thank you guys. Thank you, Jamal. Thank you, OG. 1 for 1 off. Yes, sir. 1 for 1 off for 1. Yes, sir. Where you said lost? Yes, sir, guys. If you guys like the stream, it just helps it helps it push it, it helps push out the stream, shows you guys are liking and enjoying it, and hopefully new members can come through. Why you don't like trading New York as much as London? Because it's because of the price action. So someone like me who like, I don't want to say I trade patterns, you know what I'm saying? Because the pattern never looks the exact same every single time. You know what I'm saying? It's just the concepts repeat over and over again when it comes to distribution, pullbacks in a discount, lower time frame liquidations, and then breaks of structure. Those type of things I see on repeat, but they vary here and there. But as a structure trader like me who looks for those certain concepts, I need price to kind of be able to develop, fluctuate, do its thing. Whereas New York is this. If I had to draw New York and London, this is London. Actually, that's even like a bad description. I'd say London's even more like, and then it'll like slowly pick its like way for like the London session, right? New York is this. And then maybe it'll pick a direction. You know what I'm saying? Like sometimes, yes, New York may have more volume. It may have sometimes bigger moves, but London to me spits out better setups. As someone who only is trying to get a 1 to 3, I don't care if on New York it's spitting a potential 1 to freaking 20, whatever. To catch that 1 to 20 is a lot of freaking hurt feelings, broken nights, arguments with freaking the mirror. You know what I'm saying? So that's probably the easiest way why I would say I like trading London session more than New York. I've always just found more success too. Not always. New York is like that just lately. No, that's not true. That's how New York has been for a very long time. That's that New York Open. You know what I'm saying? My thing is like, yes, you can. My thing is this, is that New York Open can be insane. That's why I don't like trading after New York Open. It can slow down and give you some good setups. But there are those days where if you don't even get in at New York Open, it's going to pick the direction for the day and you're just not even going to get an entry at all. If you get a 1 to 3, do you take another trade or do you walk away for the day? I walk away. If I take my dub, unless there's like a really good setup that like maybe is core. Let's say like I took like, say it took GJ buys and I hit my 1 to 3 and it was beautiful. And then GU had the exact same setup. Where I knew GBP was pumping or something like that. I knew it was going up. Then I'd maybe do it, you know? You try that money, yes, sir. London, chill, New York, good for stressful. Do you ever call more than one trade a day in the signals? Not if I win. If I call a win, that's it. But like re-entries or stuff. If I lose. Often you trade 4 days a week or you just set a certain goal? It really just depends on like the news and all this type of stuff. I mean, I trade really Monday through Thursday night, you know? Monday night, Tuesday night. I'm actually Sunday night too. I look Sunday night. not every week do I take a trade Sunday night, but sometimes there's a banger. It's like this Sunday, I caught a banger. I started the week out with a banger. Then I think yeah, I don't know. So, depends, chat. You can see how slow stuff is. This is Jared 30, guys, live markets. 15-minute time frame. Rejection. Do you have weekly? Wait, do you have weeks when you call a trade a day? Yeah, for sure. For sure. Go over this one. Okay. Can you help me understand why so many YouTubers say if you're doing 4% a month, you've done all well? Surely we... Wait. So confused. Can you help me understand why so many YouTubers say if you're doing 4% a month, you've done well? Surely if we do, say, 2 trades a week at 3% and walk away, surely we could do 10% a month? Well, obviously 10% is better than going for 4%, but it's just that 4% is, I think, a good goal to go for. Why? Because all of you guys out there, let's say are working a 9 to 5 or working whatever job. Let's say you guys make $5,000 a month, $6,000 a month, $7,000, $8,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? Or even, sometimes you guys are making less. 4%, if we're talking about funding and having like trading accounts, 100K, $4,000, 200K, that's $8,000, 300K, you know what I'm saying? It just keeps going up. If you're funding $1 million and you get a 4% payout, that's 40K, right? So it just goes back to what I was saying about like when I was in Dubai and I was talking and I was watching the panel of those guys who got the $1 million worth of payouts. One of the guys was talking about how, literally talking about what you're talking about when it comes to, he's like, it all simplified for me when I looked at the numbers and was like, wow, let me try to get funded more and go for a little bit more returns and trying to go for bigger returns. Because then you don't have to focus on taking setups every day. You just have to focus on taking the right setups. Because like you said, it's easy to hit. Well, in theory, it's easy to hit, what's it called? In theory, quote unquote, it's easy to hit 4% or, but if that's easy to you, what I would do is maybe risk 0.5% because now you get more trades to take. You don't have to like worry as much on like, oh, now I only have 10 trades till I failed the account. Now you basically have 20. Boom, we got the boy Ali Trades in the chat. Shout the boy. Love that man. Everyone put W's in the chat for the boy Ali. I'm willing to wish all the verse on. Yes, sir. W's, thank you, gang. Two-headed goat, I know. Ali's the goat. Love that guy. Outing gang is so much love. We love Pip and Dip chat. Everyone say what's good. Let me go to the chat. What do I sound like? Hello. Okay, cool. It's so funny you guys still can't hear that music behind me. I'm over here just vibing. But we love Pip and Dip, guys. We're gonna get Ollie on here soon. Podcast with Ollie coming soon. Hope you guys are. Is Ollie joining? I don't know. His fee to like get on like events like this is fucking. It's crazy. He charges an arm and a leg. Hollywood, but maybe one day we'll get him on. I just have to sell like my kidney, and then we'll see. Big pot things yesterday. I charge it. Yo, wait. What? Why you gotta just come in my chat and just like. No, Diddy. All Diddy. That's so funny. Have you met a lot of traders in San Diego, Luca? No, but there's actually one, guys. This is so funny. Actually, creative minds with. Oh my god, Ali, what did you start? Ali knows my chat be getting gay sometimes, so he's trying to exploit it, get you guys riled up. Don't fall for it. But funny enough, guys, it just goes to show. So like, I have that my name, like the Luca.NoLimit sticker on the side of my NFT backshot. Where is NLT Backshots? Someone's name was literally NLT Backshots. They just never come back. Come on now. Yo, what's good, Brandon? Pippin dip. It's like piping, but I don't even know. Okay, back to what I was saying. Okay, so the only trader I've met in LA, it's so funny. So I have like that sticker Luca.NoLimit on the side of my car. I went out with Cowboy, went out, on Friday or whatever, like last week. And I woke up with a message on Saturday that like, I got a message at like 12:30 at night from this trader that he was big. He's big. He's huge. He's got like 200K subscribers on YouTube. He's hella views, got like 130K on Instagram. And he DMs me and says, like, LOL, I see your I see your ad. I see you're in San Diego. And he's followed by a bunch of the homies and stuff. And I was like, what? So I DM him back and I'm like, yeah, bro, I'm in San Diego. I'm down here for the month, all this type of stuff. And he's like, oh, hell yeah, bro. I saw your car outside of, I was at a Flamingo deck or whatever. And he's like, I saw you were followed by the homies, so I had to tap in. And I was like, bro, while we're in San Diego, let's link up. Just crazy. I don't know, small world. He's part of like Team Bull. He does futures. He's part of like the funded futures family. If you guys know like the futures firm or whatever. Pipe and dip, real nice community. So funny. How many of you guys we got here? 76. What do you guys want me to do? Go crazy, start dancing? I appreciate y'all. Small world, guys. If you guys didn't know, I did buy 400K worth of Apex challenges, guys. To start, I'm gonna do a series on YouTube for you guys. I'm still not familiar with futures and that type of stuff just yet. I'm getting familiar with it, but I'm gonna be starting this next week, guys. I'm getting the account set up. I think I'm gonna do 400K. I meant 800K. I don't know why I said 400K. I bought 800K. I bought 800K worth of challenges. So I'm gonna do 400K at once and do the other 400K at the other part. I don't know why I said 400K. I meant 800K. So I'm gonna do 400K at once. I'm gonna do 800K. Again. Really, have you heard of JPEL? I don't know. That sounds familiar. Congratulations on your future. Thank you, bro. 50K accounts? Yeah. I literally bought all 50K accounts. Bought like 8. I'm not 8, like 16 or whatever. Yeah, I don't know. That's why I said, like, Brandon, if you need questions, I'd ask Emmett. That's who I ask. You do example of using the fib on GJ. I'm trying to apply it correctly. Good question, Anthony. Shout out to you, bro. Can you sell me a funded account? Yeah, I actually can if you need it. Funny enough. Getting a 50K fib. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get some sleep, boss. Hey, you still here? I would have been. If I know you're still here, bro, I'd be here doing the truffle shuffle. You want me to shake some? Never mind. Actually, we'll leave it at that. I love you, brother. Sleep tight. Coming down to San Diego. I miss you. Gang loves you. Luke, the rules of Apex is crazy. That's why I haven't gotten the account from Apex. It's very strict. I know, but they're also so cheap, bro. So I just had to. I was like, what? Doing 10 to 100K, currently on 5K. Damn, let's go, Royal Marine Tours. Congrats. I wish you success on your journey. Is 1,500 a month realistic with a 10K account? I don't think so. Not with like a funded account. Let me do the math. No, I don't think so. Good night, broski. Love y'all. Catch. Oh, no way. You're awesome, bro. I appreciate that. You the man. That's so nice. Have you gone to pay off from Apex yet? Nah, I actually haven't, bro. I just started futures. Shout out Ollie though, so nice. How many people here now? I was wondering where the little definitely trading with you next week. I just got a new broker I can trade futures on. No way, which one is it? 25K more like it? Yeah. 25K you could do it, 50K obviously. And from there it's just up. I'd say always do like a 50K, guys. 50K is such a good like sized account. I don't know if you guys remember me like talking about that, but 50Ks to me are like the easiest to pass. Psychology wise, like well, with Apex and futures and stuff, I heard like rules wise, rules based, it's the easiest as well. That's why I did it. What are we looking at today? What trades to enter? We're looking at a lot of consolidation, if being completely honest. We've called 3 live trades so far to start the year. All 3 of them have been on JAR 30 and all of them have been wins. This was the one from the other night. 1, 2, and the third one was, I forget where it was. I think it was also buys. Easy buys, honestly. It's not like it was freaking rocket science. Just once again with the trend, people asking about fibs. Like guys, whenever price is moving sideways, no fib, no fibs, no. I mean, here it's kind of trending a little bit. So like whenever you see these moves, where do you guys think these moves are retracing to? Impulse, retracement, continue. Delete. Actually, you don't even really need to just move it over. But same thing. Low, high, pull back in the discount, continue. Same type of thing. You see here now that we're kind of consolidating, nothing. Same type of thing we lead here. Low to the high here. Low to the high. Pull back into the fib. Continue. You guys see? Same thing here. When it comes to going bullish off that. Ooh. Like guys, like price just it does it. Look at how perfect also right here. Look at those rejections. I believe in premium and discount. After I learned about it and started applying it and stuff and started seeing it live, y'all are the best. Appreciate that. But once I started seeing that, that's why. It's kind of bullish, yes, sir. Do I have your number or do I get a new number? I'm not sure. Wilson Space also has an Apex account. I just talked to Emmett. I don't even know. The guy who I'm meeting up with in San Diego, he owns a firm, so I'm gonna ask him some questions. He trades NASDAQ. He be like gambling though. I can't even lie. Like it was kind of crazy when I saw how he traded. But I still got fair value gap on the 4 coming down. Do you use fair value gap? I do use fair value gap. I like looking for fair value gaps to get filled for sure. What are your thoughts on gold? We can check it out. It was super, to me it was pretty overbought when I saw it last. Are these normal fit levels, Luca, or do you have custom settings? I have custom settings, like a little bit. If you get like and like custom colors and all that type of shit. Someone said gold, so let's check out gold. When it came to gold, guys, I did see price come up and liquidate this high, but due to the fact that we are still bullish, there's no reason why I really want to just sell right off the break there, right? I would need to see some sort of probably break a structure and then look for a retracement. So like for this, like you guys see how this is the low that caused this high? I'd probably need to wait for like this low to get taken out for me to even like want to take that. Right? Because that would be like the first break of structure. Anything above here, it could easily just like, let's say I get a sells here, it could easily just go bullish from there, right? Because look what price has done. Gone bullish, it's pulled back and continued. Gone bullish, pulled back, continued. Just because we've gone bullish and are pulling back doesn't mean that we won't continue, right? If we're looking at the overall structure. So I'm just patient on gold. GJ, on the other hand, when I was looking at it earlier, you could see here, kind of a consolidation, because you can see here we have the Asia range, which is this high to this low. And usually I don't like when, oh no, it did sweep the low. We did sweep the Asia low. Correct. Or incorrect. W continued. We did sweep the Asia low. I was gonna say both of them were exposed, but nada. You know what I'm saying? But damn, shout out to Pip and Dib, guys. Shout out to Ollie and for everyone who came from his community. You guys are the best. If you guys are new here, I do go live for London session Monday through Thursday. I'm not as good at fundamentals as Ollie, but I like to say I'm a good trader. It is dope. I love Ollie because for anyone who's curious on how me and Ollie met and stuff, well, first off, it was because of the podcast. We got connected because he saw the podcast I did with Dr. Dollar. And I didn't really know who Ollie was until all of a sudden I saw all of his freaking social media everywhere. All of a sudden I started seeing his reels and on YouTube, and like I was like, who the frick is this kid? Started seeing him everywhere. And then I think Dollar was the one I was like, oh, I know who that is. And then one day Ollie had come on Dollar's live stream, said it was good. I was like, oh shit, no, I've seen your stuff somewhere. And then I was like, oh bro, I'll DM you, let's set a podcast up. And doing the podcast with him, whatever. Long story short, reason I bring that up is the first night I ever met Ollie, why I think we both have mutual respect for each other. First night we ever meet up in Beverly Hills. He's with Sai. It's literally me, him, and Sai. What a freaking goated group. Me, Ollie trades and trades by Sai at a dinner table in Beverly Hills. Who? Come on. That shit, looking back, dude, good old fucking times. But why I'm bringing up the story, we took a live trade together. I saw a trade set up. I saw a trading set up on, I think it was like GU or G whatever. And I said at the table, I was like, bro, I'm looking at like G shorts or something, GJ. And Ollie was like, oh really? Like, let me check. He goes and looks at it and he goes, oh bro, like, because it was basically just like an Asia high sweep. And if anyone here trades session liquidity and stuff, one of the most like I mean, in my opinion, like, it doesn't happen all the time, but waiting for like session liquidity sweeps with trend is just like let's say price making lower highs, lower lows continuing. If price making like a lower high while taking like creates an Asia range, takes out the Asia range, and then you get sells to continue the trend, it's just beautiful. But that's basically what the trade was. We both got in and freaking ate, and it was dope. It was just a dope way to like start our friendship. You know? You should throw some riz to some girls there. Where? At the dinner table? I think we were. Flirting. No, I'm totally kidding. How would you use the fib in that or the pass currently trying to make the GJ? How would? I know what you mean. Ollie loves session sweeps. Yeah, I know. What I'm saying is like, if you know, you know. But for anyone who just got to the stream, guys, if you guys rewind a little bit, there was a good part of this stream where I did go over my strategy and what I kind of look for. It's a good kind of representation of, the concepts behind, I'd say, my ideology behind how I think the market moves, guys. I think the market does three things. What are the three things the market does, guys? Let's talk about it. Another lesson with no limit, guys. Don't fucking, hey, Steve texted me the exact same thing. Why not? What part of the strategy? Consolidates up, down. It's a good start. So that is the three ways that the market moves technically, is up, down, and sideways. But there's one other thing. Yeah, right there. Montakin Rafi. He's the winner. So yeah, the three ways the market moves is bullish, bearish, and consolidation. When price is consolidating, we don't want to touch it. When price is bullish, we do want to take it. If price is bearish, we do want to take it. The only time we don't want to take price is when it's in the consolidation. Why I'm bringing this up is that you want to trade when price is doing what? Bullish or bearish, which is another word for what? Trending. So if price is trending bullish or trending bearish, that's the direction you want to be taking price into. And why people get, overcomplicate things is they don't pay attention to it and get faked out in the lower time frames and false directions. So in retrospect, basically, once again, higher time frame direction, looking at lower time frames, looking for a lower time frame pullback into a liquidation to then continue price, right? So back to what I asked when it came to the three things is price moves bullish, bearish, consolidation, but the three ways that price really moves and how I think is accumulate, manipulate, and distribute, right? So accumulation, price moves sideways. Manipulation is it taking out basically lows in the opposite direction, and then it distributing in the true direction. The reason why I like articulating and telling you guys about AMD, basically accumulation, manipulation, distribution, is because I basically look for that. I'll look for price to consolidate, and I don't touch it. You never see me trade a consolidation. Once I see some sort of liquidation, if it matches up with the overall trend, sometimes I take the trade then to lead to the distribution. But guess what? If it doesn't, I'll wait for the manipulation. It'll lead to a distribution. And then once that distribution happens, that's then the direction. That's the impulse. So then there I wait for the pullback, like I said, into 50% of that move, which is discount. And then once in discount, that's where I'm looking for, once again, lower time from liquidation, quick break of structure, and I'm taking the trade for 1 to 3. Don't fuck up in between. Stamp that, Steve. Take notes. No limit in this bitch. Saha. It does burn people's accounts. What does? Not no limit, I can tell you that much. No limit helps the accounts. What time frames you mainly trade? The 10-second. Sometimes. No, I'm kidding. Like the 5 and 15. What concepts do you use besides analyze higher time charts instead of AMD? The concepts, I would just basically say, like you said, AMD, like the manipulation part of it, but the manipulation that leads to, so when I talk about this, guys, let's bring it back up. Who here knows what a fair value gap is? Who here knows what a fair value gap is? Literally, I found an example right when I just opened, like literally, like this is where we are on the charts. I literally just went right here. I already found an example. So remember when I was talking about my strategy where it's like if prices, this isn't a good example because it's against price, but let's say that we're bullish, moving up, and now we're in this retracement. So let's say price is retracing, and then like I said, it comes in my point of interest. So a couple things you can do is wait for a break of structure, because that's basically going to tell you, like, I basically wait for a break of structure and a trend line break. But the other thing you could do is when I talk about my point of interest is this. Wait, hold on, let me read the chat real quick. That's what happens to me. I have my direction on the higher time frames, but then when I drop on, yeah, exactly, Jamal. The fact that this can make anybody wealthy in a good year is crazy. I love it. That's what I'm saying, is I'm preaching how you guys can literally change your lives. Listen to what I'm saying, apply it, and your guys' lives can literally be changed by pushing a couple freaking buttons. I was talking to Steve about this, guys. Steve, my freaking trainer, you guys all know Steve. He's in the chat right now. Like, it's crazy to say, but GJ pays the bills. Like this thing that like we like those 2 letters, GJ. Like what? Like guys, if you guys lock in on GJ and study the shit out of GJ will pay the bills. It's so hard to comprehend, but literally like GJ pays the bill. Value gap before market structure shift. Yeah, so guys, right here. So quick example. So let's say we're bullish and then we're pulling back into discount. So let's say that this is price and discount. So when I was talking about point of interest, is this would be a point of interest to me. Why? Because we're sweeping Asia lows, which to me, once again, if you guys heard me talking about session lows, there's a lot of liquidity sitting below and above session lows. But what's also happening when we're leading to this distribution, what is a fair value gap again? Someone tell me. So we're leading to this distribution. Oh my God, I can't even talk right now. Let me take a sip of water. I won't pay attention because this is sauce. When you're looking at the chart here, what is this creating? What is this sequence? Who wants to tell me? Gaps. The case seen with the most profitable strategy was Alex's strategy. Who's Alex? Alex G? That motherfucker trades a break and retest on the 4 hour. There ain't no way we got someone in the chat saying that's the most profitable strategy. Gap between candles. Yeah, so once again, guys, a fair value gap is a 3 candle sequence when both neighboring candles don't overlap. So you can see here, we have 3 candles where both of these candles don't overlap. So what do we have here? We have a fair value gap. So this is the gap because we have this low to this high creating the gap. So once again, whenever we move back into discount and we have a fair value gap moving away from our overall direction, we are going to wait for price to come back up and close above that gap, create an inverse fair value gap play where then you can aim once we close above that with your stops below, and then you basically wait for that and the rest is history, right? So once again, you get the pullback, you wait for the liquidation. If price makes it for a fair value gap, get a closure above it, and then you could see, you know, that's all she wrote. Three empty space between candles. That's literally how you trade. Literally. What are you trading tonight and what's your ideal entry? I just went over a bunch of them. I've went over honestly a lot of really good examples, guys, tonight of some potential ways you guys can capitalize on the market. A couple different, you know, ways that I would view the market. You guys should all go back and watch this stream. That's what I gotta say. I've had win and demo trades with that strategy, but with that. Let's go. Nice setup on the 15-minute. Thanks, brother. Yes, sir. Yes, and if we are below midnight open, if we're above midnight open, is this so? I haven't checked that. You check UJ? Yeah, I can check that. So I just got here. Yeah, it's all good, bro. I'm just letting you know that like there's low-key a lot of sauce in the stream. So if any of you guys have time and want to go back and watch, definitely would go back and, you know, watch some of these and test it. UJ looks like my strategy. UJ looks like my strategy. I mean, it would have been down in here. So once again, like, what's the direction, guys? Once again, when price is trending, bullish. So, you know, if I were to replay price or go like this, what do we see? You see price is bullish, and now we're retracing within this overall direction, right? This is just a pullback to go. So what do we wait for once we pull back into discount? Because once again, if you draw fib, what are we going to find? Price is always going to be in discount. I can just see it with my eyes. Price is in discount. So what do we wait for once price is in discount? We wait for a liquidation. So what's a liquidation? Some sort of low or something getting taken out or manipulation in the opposite direction of the overall trend. So the trend's bullish. So we're waiting for some sort of, you know, liquidation to the bottom to then go long. So you can see here, we have nice lows right here. Why? Because price pushed all the way up, came down, formed this level, and then what happened? We left exposed lows. So what happened after this? Price comes down, sweeps that low, going against the trend, wait for a break of structure or something in the opposite direction, which once we get a close like above that wick, or not that wick, but that kind of candle, somewhere kind of around there, you know, somewhere in here. Once you get that candle close above there, and then, you know, It basically just continues the overall direction. I don't trade like rocket science, guys. I literally just trade how I think the market moves in. The market picks its direction, it'll pull back. Once again, it moves in three ways. It'll distribute, it'll then consolidate, it'll then manipulate somehow, it'll distribute, it'll consolidate, it'll manipulate somehow, it'll distribute in just different directions, up and down all the time. It's up to us to figure out how the fuck to get a little piece of the pie or something in between. Like, sheesh, bro. Put your hand in the cookie jar. Steve, you never called me back. Like, what? I'm kidding. How many of you guys are here? 76. All right, if I don't get 76 W's in the chat right now, nah, it's all good. But I do owe you guys a giveaway, so I will be giving just because BE called me. You have to pick up when BE calls. Not that I owe you, because I don't owe you guys shit. I'm here giving you guys free value, but I will be doing a giveaway for you guys. I'm going to be giving you guys a 25K account based upon the comments on this. So for anyone who has not gone and watched my my YouTube video I dropped a couple days ago, it is right here. So make sure you guys all go and leave a comment. And at the end of the stream, I'm going to end the stream kind of soon. I will be picking a winner for a 25K account. So if you guys are in need of an account, there you go. We find out which stays in mind. I'm just curious, like, when you guys look at the charts like this, what do you guys see? Because I know a lot of you guys are still trying to force trades. Like, a lot of you guys trade just to trade. Not because it looks good, not because it's a good setup. You trade just because you want to trade. So it's like, when you look at GJ like this, and it's like clearly in a range, like, what are you going to do? Are you just going to sell just to try and fill this? Are you going to, like, it's clearly in a consolidation. So I got to wait for some sort of high or some sort of low to get taken out. I'm gonna grab some water real quick though, guys. I'm thirsty. You have explained it so easy to understand. Very thankful. Do you check out above or below market open as a second confirmation for the trade? Like for London Open? I'm gonna get sleep. Have a great. I'll be up in 2 hours. Up in 2 hours? Damn, Hanya, you the best, bro. Have a good night, G. Keep putting in that work. You the man. I see a sweep to the top side. Something it sells. What do you think? Check it out in a second. How to trade USD CHF truthfully. Gold's gonna push though. You can get a candle closure or something. It's too high for me to buy, but I'm just letting you guys know. And getting good volume, or if this is liquidation. Are you in? No, guys. Look how no. I need some liquidation. I'm just letting y'all know we're gonna break a structure finally on gold. Everything else is just kind of sideways. CJ's not breaking any structure. What was that? Euro kind of. AUD USD. Damn, low key. Where's Ollie in the chat when you need him? This chat's fire, or this is this trade's low key fire chat. Five pip stop loss. I haven't traded AUD USD in so long, guys, but once again, my eyes are so adjusted to the strategy that I see it literally. If you guys go back 20 seconds and watch how I just looked at AUD USD for 2 seconds and saw the strategy, basically, even though we look like we're in some sort of downtrend, I see here that we're in the start of some sort of low that got liquidated, and now we're looking to hold to continue. Why I'm interested in this area more than others is because we had made so many lows. Look what just happened. We made a low during Asia that got respected and then taken out and had all this bullish volume that pushed price back into the range right after sweeping the low. And look what we're doing again. We're tapping right back into this demand after doing that. And look at the rejection we're getting off of here. This to me is looking like a pretty good setup. It's just that I don't trade AUD USD. The volume's so low on it. Trying to get a good pip count on it, it's pretty tough. But I mean, technically, right here at the break, it's a 5-minute high. Entry chat. You use the Fibonacci on this example? Yeah, right here. Whenever I look at fibs, guys, it's like this. Where do you guys see the fit? Where do you guys see price tapping into? We created a leg. We're coming back in. Tap and go. Oh, we see it. You know what would make me confident in this setup is if we check out the DXY. The DXY can sweep this. No, see, look at it. This means the DXY would have to continue bearish for us to continue bullish, which it's already sold so much. It's not a good sign. AUD USD gang. You guys can see here we're starting to get that push. I don't like the low volume. What's the DXY doing? All right, guys. AUD USD is looking pretty good. I can't lie. Let me look on my phone, guys. Oh, AUD USD, what you doing? Other thing we have to keep in mind, guys, is that we do have all that USD news in the morning where, you know, USD is probably gonna be pretty slow heading into news for tomorrow. Definitely something to keep into account. Are you running the chat or what? What do you guys feel? You guys getting in with me or what? You guys getting the AUD USD with me or what? Week 1 with you at the end, pretty stuff or what? I mean, damn, look at all these. I think I'm forcing it, honestly, chat. Look at all these 1 minutes. That's what we call the start of consolidation. So definitely be, if you guys haven't gotten in, you guys looking to take the entry, definitely be careful. I probably honestly probably would just not. Week 1 with you at the end, pretty good stuff. Yeah, damn, this is your first week with me. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Appreciate you for, you know, being here. Super dope. And where has it been look like it's been consolidating for a while? Exactly. That's why like I feel like I'm being kind of greedy. I'm just kind of like force it for you guys. I'm being 100% honest. Could go good, and if this flips, this should get a good little push, guys. Especially the DXY can go. Now look at the DXY is getting that push I was talking about. That's why it's so important sometimes to look at that as a confluence. Look at it sweep that low. We need that to continue back down. Oh, just kidding. I guess we'll see. It doesn't line up with the SD, but we'll call it a day. Come on, AUD USD, you stupid bitch. Inverted head and shoulder. That's all I'm saying. Is that's kind of the reason. One of the reasons I pointed it out at first. I just think that like all those. Look at all those 1 minute candles all in sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And like to me, it's kind of a consolidation. It should push, but it just needs some volume. What the hell? And then, chat, does anyone have any questions for me, chat, before I get out of here? Boy, get out of here. We're gonna do the giveaway, like I said, also, guys. For anyone here who does not know, I will be giving away a count to someone who comments on this. Make sure you go comment. Come on. I don't like how this is just taking out this high as well. Actually come down. Let's see. Yo, I'm here from Australia. Shout out Australia. Shout out Australia. NFP today going against the dollar ain't a good idea. Trading the dollar at all isn't a good idea, guys. If you guys are not in this trade, I would not say this is the highest probability. When you go look at any pairs, guys, we're consolidating pretty hard. GJ. Gold looks like we're, I don't know, I would say we're getting something. GU kinda. EU. AU. It's up to you guys. At the end of the day, any of the signals I call, or if I get into a trades, guys, it's the risk in the trade I decided to get into on my own thing. You guys should never get into a trade and think, oh, I got in just because Luca said so. Nah, you guys should agree with it. Understand why I got in, all that type of stuff. No limit like Master P. Yes, sir. Alvin Perkins was good, G. Luca, I had asked you about the engulfing strategy. I miss out. That's fire, bro. I'll do a video about that for you. I will do a video about that for you, brother. On AU. Stop playing with the boys. Alright, chat, we're gonna do the giveaway in a second. For anyone here who is not part of the Discord, here's the link. My bad, Chatteroonie. Y'all see that, chat? Make sure you guys all go join that. Everyone go join the Discord so we can start doing the giveaway in a second. Come on, AU. Daddy wants that GT3, if I'm being completely honest. Oh, yeah. I don't even know why I have this line up here anymore. Damn, gold going up, pulled the fib out on it and match up perfectly. I mean, I don't know. To me, like, you guys always hear me say how I believe in data and that, like, data will tell you everything. The data shows that the fib works. Like, the fib wouldn't be a thing if it didn't really work. You see it in everything. You don't just see it in trading. You don't just see it in the charts. You see it, like literally within so many things in life. You guys should research the fib. Maybe it'll make you a believer. More of a believer. TV incoming, shout out Tradeaholic. You're basically a fib trader. I wouldn't say I'm a see, like, that's so funny you say that because I would not say I'm a fib trader. I would say I just wait for price to be in a discount to take my trades. If you want to call it a fib trader, you can, but it's not like I wait. A fib trader, what I would consider a fib trader is that if you draw a fib, you're waiting for price to pull back and reject off like a literal like line, like all those lines. You're basically waiting for like the perfect rejection off them. And if it doesn't reject it, then you're not in. Whereas like for me, it doesn't need to reject a certain area. You know, it doesn't need to like perfectly reject this one line and then have an engulfing whatever. It's like no, it just needs to be in discount, waiting for a liquidation and then a break of structure. Tradeaholic going live. Everyone spam to make him do it. All right, guys, make sure you guys in the Discord. We're gonna do the giveaway. If everyone looks in the chat room right now, you guys will see that I'm sending the links to the Discord. You guys have to be in there for the giveaway. Imagine not being in the Discord and it's free. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy, kind of crazy, kind of crazy. What else can we talk about, chat? Okay, I also want to let you guys know. For those who didn't see on my story, I am like Sunday is the last day. For basically the launch of the new mentorship, guys. If you guys want to be a part of it and want to turn 2025 into the year that you guys actually make a change in your trading, you guys can go to my Instagram and DM me 2025. Just make sure you guys book a call with my team, see if it's a good fit for you. If it's not, it's completely okay. But you know, you'd rather be freaking, you know, safe than sorry, figure it out than just never know, you know? So get on a call, see if it's right for you. I can guarantee that if you do end up doing it or want to get into it, you're not going to regret it. I can promise you that. But just like that, that's TP smash just like that. Wow. There's no news right now anyways. This is what I'm saying, guys. I'm in a 10 lot, but I'm only up $200. Like, what is life? I should have done like a fucking 30, 40, 50 lot. Like, what is this bullshit? Is there any magic keys or something, guys? I need to go back to Trade Locker, honestly. I did MetaTrader because MetaTrader is OG, but now that I completely forgot about doing the buffer lot size and calculating it correctly. I kind of knew though. What is it? It's a 3 stop loss. Yeah, guys, I could have done like 30 lots if I wanted to. Wait, no, 30. Honestly, more like 60. That just don't even sound right. All right, guys, get going on the Discord. How much is it? The price for the mentorship, just get on the call. I'm telling you guys, just get on the call. We can come up with a plan for you if you guys need like a payment plan, anything. You're gonna be in it for life. Like I said, the way the mentorship used to be is you're in it for 30 days, turn you into a profitable trader, but then you also get lifetime access to the signals and stuff. The way it is now is you're gonna be in a community-based academic freaking. It's like No Limit Academy basically. It's a literal academy-based like setup where there's calls every week, live trading calls, coaching calls, office hours. I have a full blueprint on do this, then lead to this, book a call with me, watch these videos, do this homework, then book another call with me. All this type of stuff to literally like roadmap. Like when I mean roadmap, literal roadmap, like start here, drive here, do this, drive here, do this, drive here, do this. Get you guys to be able to freaking sit down and do this. Like guys, the 4th trade I've called here on live so far this year, and they've all been dubs, guys. It didn't happen easy, it didn't happen overnight, but when you learn the skill set, guys, it's just blue. It's just blues all the time. If you guys are interested, guys, go DM me 2025 right here. Here's my account. There's no, and I'm willing to work with you guys too, guys. I know you guys are like, oh my god, it's gonna be so expensive, I can't afford it. Guys, you would be surprised. You guys have to go DM me 2025 right now. 2025. And trust me, guys, I used to be the person like I never thought I needed a mentorship. I didn't freaking get into mentorship until about like a little bit over a year into learning, where I thought I knew everything. Oh, I could learn it all on YouTube, and it really was because I didn't have a lot of money, which I understand. Did I have money? Like, yeah, I did have the money. You know what I'm saying? Like, you have the money, but you don't want to spend it. That's how I was. Like, I had it, but I didn't want to spend it. I was like, oh, I could learn everything on YouTube. Kept trying, and yes, you can learn good information and get some results, but overall, no. You guys need someone to steer you in the right direction. Literally create you a roadmap, create you a blueprint. Do these things, stay on this path. You'll you'll do this. That's the whole goal. That's what we do. That's what we will continue to do. Every damn time. All right, chat. Who's ready for the giveaway? Make sure you guys have gone and commented on this. If you guys have not commented, like, shared, make sure you guys have gone and left a comment on here. Make sure you've dropped a like also. Share with your friend, guys. Tag me on Instagram. At the same time, YouTube is still YouTube. The mentorship is coach to student access in real time. Yeah, like the live streams are fun and we go over good info here. And I do help you guys a lot. But imagine having a personalized roadmap where, like I said, guys, I mean, if you join it, you're going to see what it looks like. But it's like, do these things, go here and do this homework, book a call with me, watch these videos, do this. It all is in a flow state to get you to where I think. Because right now, I always say this because think of your guys' brains as like computers with like a virus in it. And the virus you have right now is like bad strategies, learning the wrong information, all type of stuff. Where my job is to come wipe out all that bad freaking strategies, all that bad viruses in your computer, reboot your computer, input my freaking strategy. Sounds a little homo. Sorry, my bad, pause. But input my strategy, and then turn you profitable. You know what I'm saying? Rather than just wait for the next video. Yeah. If I can learn to make money. Luca, take a look at Dax, bro. No, don't tell me. Don't hurt my feelings. Oh, nothing. Too high for me to buy once again, guys. Like, once again, if I can get in somewhere in here and aim for the highs, a little different, but there's been no pullbacks here. So remember earlier when I went over the example of where to put your stop loss? For this example, like the higher lows all the way down here. That's like that's a no-go for me. GJ. Oh. GJ. Alright, we should get a GU then. Or at least stops to break even. Stops to break even, chat. Y'all saw what GJ did. Stops to break even on GU. A little fun position. Why not? Oh, I mean, not GU, AU. What am I thinking? I was like, I knew I wasn't that much profit. That's basically stop break even trade. If you guys are in AU, get out for sure. Just because GJ, AU, they all kind of a lot of the time flow together. So these could actually fall. We'll have to see. Giveaway time, chat. Can you guys see the Discord? You guys put 41s in the chat if you guys can see the Discord. All right. So how we're going to do it, guys, if you guys scroll down in the Discord, you guys are going to see a section right under general that says giveaways. In giveaways, I'm going to say /create. I'm going to enter. We're going to do it for, let's just do it for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. The prize is going to be a 25K giveaway. I mean, come on now, guys. This ain't a baby bucks. 25K giveaway. And when I press submit, what you guys need to do now, boom, go and press on this prize right here. Once you guys press on the prize, you guys are input into it. Go drop some emojis too. Go drop some emojis, show some love. You know what I'm saying? Everyone run it up. I always love and seeing, bro. Who? We're always here just having a good time, and someone's always got to come and just drop the cock on, like, just ruin the party. Like, who pulled out the Krista? Come on, you horny bastards. Always with that shit. You guys are hilarious. Where are you supposed to be in Discord? On the left side it says general, and you'll see it says giveaways. You guys are too much with that shit though. Two minutes though, chat. 2 minutes and I'm outie. Comments on the YouTube video. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Goody. You get a haircut? Second what? Cowboy says goodnight, chat. We got 1 minute, guys. Only 22 entries, and how many of you guys are here on stream? There's 50 of you. There's 50 of you, but only 20 of you guys are in it. Why is GU going up now? Is AU going up? No, there's no way. My bad, chat. Um, 35 seconds, chat. 23 entries. Hey, it just goes to show that not everyone here on the stream is here for the giveaways then. If only half you guys want to participate in it. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate everyone who's here. You guys are goated. Your Honor, he has this micro penis. Congratulations. What is this? Yeah. Oh shit. We outie, chat. I'm taking that 25 and I'm gone. I'm taking that 25K and I'm gone. I'm not coming back. Y'all think this is a game? I'm packing up my whole bag and I'm gone. No, that's some funny shit, chat. No, that is some actual funny shit. Congrats, Luca, brother. Thank you, bro. I needed it. I needed it, to be honest. So, made my life easier. Thank God. Shit. Fuck. Needed that 25K challenge. Prayed for that shit last night. No, I'm kidding. I'm just trolling. That was so funny though, chat. What the fuck? All right. Because that happened, I'm willing to this, guys. Do you guys want a 25K or two 10Ks? You guys decide in the chat. We're gonna do it again, but would you rather do a 25K or two 10Ks? Start a poll. Rigged his own giveaway. That shit's pretty fun. It's happened a couple of times. Those who've been on the streams before, we've seen it happen a couple of times. I mean, I'd probably choose the 10K, but I mean the 25K. Who am I? Damn, 80% for the two 10Ks is crazy. What? What kind of hocus pocus is this? We'll get rid of this shit. Here's emotes now. Oh no, now it's at 50%. What do y'all think, chat? What do y'all want? Hedging. Grateful for any of them. Calvin should just win just for saying that. Fuck, there needs to be more Calvins out there, guys. Some of you guys are so greedy. Luca, where's the giveaway? Luca, where's the giveaway? Luca, where's the giveaway? Luca, why haven't I won a giveaway? Oh my god, Luca, I've been on the streams for how many months? I haven't won a giveaway. Motherfucker, I don't give two shits. Sorry. The giveaways are supposed to be like fun and like just like a gesture to give back. I don't pick favorites. I don't, you know. Like what? Oh shit, the 25K is at 52% now. Alright guys, we're gonna wait like I'm gonna count to 30 and in 30 seconds, whatever one, if it's the 25K or the two 10Ks, y'all pick. It's at the buzzer. At the buzzer. Oh no, it's at 50%. And 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. This is crazy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, end. Oh shit, it says 50-50. Wait, what? There's no way. Bro, what is wrong with you guys? All right, no one do. All right, now no one wins. Now just no one wins. All right, guys. You need to do both then. That's a theory. Now we're just gonna do two. We'll just do two. Actually, but I just don't care. Like it doesn't affect me at all. Like it's gonna cost the same. We're gonna do it for 3 minutes. Can you choose who comments the video? Flip a coin. All right, so I'm gonna press flip again. It's not heads. All right, so I'm gonna press flip again. Heads is 25K. Tails is 2 10Ks. Heads is 25K. Tails is 2 10Ks. Heads 25K. Heads 25K. Boom. 25K. AUDUSD. GG's. 125K. Submit. Everyone go run it up. You guys gotta hit the present. You guys gotta hit this present. Sub, can you guys bro, they no. 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 Giveaway is canceled. Who no. No. Whoever just thought they could just on the first emoji just blatantly just put a I'm done with you guys. I'm done with you guys. I'm done with you guys. Whoever thought they could just start my giveaway off with a cock? Who has the audacity to just start my freaking giveaway off with a cock? God. It's the cock emoji. It's crazy. And bro, like you guys are like, who did this? You guys are crazy. Oh my god. There's no Allah is watching. I don't know. All I know is 6 of you guys are sick in the head. All I know. 6 of you guys are sick in the head. Going to hell. Who's winning the chat? I heard the winner is gonna put a 41 in the chat right now. It's just an eggplant SMH. He said, bro, let me just love an eggplant. Pause. Maybe they're trying to tell you something. No, that's crazy. Hey, you could tell me anything, chat. Wait a second, guys. Guys, only 27 entries. 27 entries, and there's 54 of you guys here. Y'all are hilarious. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. It's Kijen. Kijen, brother. Bro, guys. Who? Oh, bro. Why are you doing Kijen like that? There's no way. That is fucking hilarious. Kijen has to be here in the chat though. If he's not in the chat, then we're doing the giveaway somewhere else. Kijen, repeat, you must be in the chat. If he's not in the chat, we have to redo the giveaway. And just kidding, he said, of course I'm here. Congratulations to Zenas Kijen. You are the winner, brother. Happy, or not happy, but congratulations. You won a 25K. Make sure you message me on Discord. Nice, bro. I made no profit from the 25 loss. Let's go. Yes, sir. I thought they had to comment on your video too. They did. I had everyone go comment on my video. If you didn't, Kijen, if you did not comment on my video, then you don't deserve to win. I just wanted to, like, that's why I mean, yes, I wanted you guys all to go comment on my thing, but that was the reward, was the giveaway. But I just did the giveaway through Discord instead of doing it that way. You said I commented. Amazing, bro. Thank you so much. Well, gang, all I gotta say, it has been an amazing week, guys. Absolute amazing freaking lives with you guys. It's been super funny. It's been the first week back, kind of like since I mean, we did a little bit of last week, but this is the first full week with live streams. With the new year, some good volume, except for the last like kind of day and a half. But nonetheless, still super fun. Thank you guys all for the support on the live stream. Oh, guys, also my reel today. Dang, I should have done that instead. That's sad. I should have already done that. My reel today. That's what I wanted everyone to comment on. I'm so stupid. I had a funny reel today from the live stream. If you guys were on the live stream, it was super funny. But the reel is from the live stream. So if you were there, you know how funny it was. If you weren't, you snooze, you lose. But we're gonna have more fun ones tonight. I was a little more chill, laid back. But we're gonna be going crazy. So make sure you guys go show some love on the reel as well. But I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed weekend. I'll see you guys next week. Don't miss me too much. Reminder that the mentorship is starting Sunday. If you want to be part of that, go DM me 2025. Click on that link. Make sure you comment on my recent post as well. But I love you guys. You guys are the best. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, gang. Later. Deuces, deuces, deuces.